Hi, so in this tutorial I'll show you how to use a can opener, a basic regular can opener like this one I have right here. This one I got it from IKEA, but I guess you can get it from the dollar store. They'll all look the same, they work the same way if they look like this one. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to take those two handles and open them like this. And now take your can. All right, let me show you a close-up. You're gonna take and you have to put this blade, let me show you, this one, okay, it needs to go on the top of the can, like so. All right, and once it's there, all you have to do is press those two handles together. Okay, I pressed them. Now you'll feel some resistance here. All you have to do is apply even more pressure and you'll hear a pop. This is when the blade will actually puncture the tin can. All right, let's see. So here we go. You heard it, right? Okay, so that's perfect. That means that the blade is engaged. And all you have to do now, let me show you this way, is to turn this thing while keeping the handles together. So you're gonna turn it in a clockwise direction. Okay, so you're gonna turn it till you do a full circle. Okay. Some people like to stop right before completely the full circle because as you can see the lid here will pop out by itself and you can just lift it, but personally I prefer doing a first circle and the lid will fall, you know, inside this can. You can remove, we don't need it anymore. What you can do here to remove this lid is to press on one side and it will lift the other, you see? So you can catch it this way, okay? And this way you can remove it. And just be careful because the borders here can be very sharp. This one is not that bad, but here the edge of this piece, well, you can easily cut yourself if you're not careful. All right, so this was the tutorial on how to use a regular can opener. I hope you learned something, and please give me a like and subscribe if this was helpful. See you in the next one.